Hey guys, I'm back with another video, another restoration job on a old vintage piece of equipment. Like the other one I had purchased this a while back ago, been sitting in my collection. So here we got it. One of those transmitter receiver type separate receiver transmitter thingy majiggy. Anyways, they're made by Golden Eagle, and that's the transmitter, and then we got the receiver over here. It's a matching pair, and I'm just gonna go through it. It looks like it's in fairly good shape. I can't remember what I paid for this thing, but I think this came out in the late 60s, this radio, and they were hot items back then. They had this little, when you key up the mic, it had this little ding sound to it, so it's a kind of a one-of-a-kind thingy. I have another set of these, but it's a version higher than this. They made, I think it was a same one, but it was, what was the difference? I think it was 23 channels as well. It had sideband. This one has sideband too, AM sideband. Anyways, so it's the Golden Eagle Mark IV. So we'll be tearing into that probably this week when I get a little bit of a time to rip it apart. But it's on the bench, and I just need to take the covers off, check inside, make sure everything looks good, and then we'll have another video of all that ripping apart stuff. I like to try to keep these things stock as possible. You don't want to try to do anything major custom on it. I just want to clean it up, make sure tubes are working, and make sure the nothing is burnt or crisp or anything like that. Okay, guys. Talk to everybody soon. See ya, everyone.